Okay, so let's start our video with a new nail art. So this is the nail paint I have applied, and I am just going to apply these stickers, any of these, and then going to paint over it, and let's see how it comes out. It is necessary to stick it properly. Just paint it as you normally paint your nail paints with your nail paint, sorry. There's so much into this painting stuff right now. Okay, and let me tell you, we are not going to wait for the nail paint to get dry, and we are just going to remove it right now. Okay, this came out pretty good, and the edges we can clean it later. So this is how my nails look, but this is not the end. Now we have to apply the top coat. And for the top coat, so it is a fast drying top coat. So this is how it looks. It dries in 30 seconds, and don't worry about the mess because that can be cleaned later. So to clean the mess, all we need is a nail paint remover wipe, and likewise to all the fingers. So this is the finished look. Hope you liked my video. Do like and subscribe to my channel.